That go-to-market playbook that built unicorns, it's now a historical document. The strategies that founders and VCs swore by, the ones plastered across our textbooks and boardrooms, are officially obsolete. And artificial intelligence wrote the final chapter. For decades, the path to growth was a well-trodden one. Build a product, find your market, and then spend a fortune on sales and marketing to capture it. It was a game of brute force, big budgets, and a whole lot of guesswork. Today, that playbook isn't just outdated, it's a liability. While you're busy with manual research and static campaigns, a new breed of company is moving at the speed of data, powered by AI. This isn't just another tool, it's an entirely new operating system for growth, and it is fundamentally reshaping how companies find, win, and keep their customers. My name is Tony Koenig, owner of Koenig Digital and founder of The Scaling Founder, and over the past 18 years, I've helped businesses big and small navigate online marketing and grow. For years, the go-to-market GTM strategy was a predictable formula. You'd identify a target audience with broad demographic data, create a one-size-fits-all marketing message, and unleash a sales team to cast a wide net. The core principles seem timeless. Define your offer, find the right audience, and get your teams on the same page. Success was often just a function of your budget. The more you spent on ads and the more salespeople you hired, the bigger your market share. But the ground has been shifting under our feet. Traditional marketing channels are now crowded and incredibly expensive. Customers are tired of generic outreach, and the old methods just aren't cutting it anymore. The problem isn't just that the old ways are less effective. It's that a profoundly smarter model has emerged. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept from sci-fi novels. It's a practical, accessible force that's transforming every single part of the GTM process. It's gone from being an experiment to an essential part of execution. Companies that have embraced AI are seeing revenue increases from 3% to 15% and a 10% to 20% improvement in sales ROI. AI native companies, those built with AI at their core, are achieving much higher funnel conversion rates, averaging 56% compared to 32% for their peers. This isn't a small tweak, it's a revolution. The choice is no longer if you should adopt AI, but how fast you can integrate it before you're left behind. The new GTM playbook isn't about doing more. It's about being smarter, faster, and more precise. And it's built on three core pillars: sales, marketing, and customer support. Let's start with sales, the front line of any GTM strategy. The traditional sales model was often a numbers game, filled with manual prospecting, cold calls, and gut-feeling qualifications. It was inefficient and, frankly, demoralizing. Sales reps would spend countless hours on research instead of actually building relationships. The result? Outreach success rates were painfully low. AI has completely dismantled this old model. Today, sales is being reborn as a discipline of precision and intelligence. The first huge shift is in how we find customers. Instead of manual research, AI can perform real-time market sentiment analysis and automated competitive intelligence. But the real game changer is predictive lead scoring. AI algorithms analyze thousands of data points in real time: website interactions, email engagement, social media activity, even the tech a prospect's company uses to identify who is most likely to buy right now. This allows sales teams to stop wasting time on cold leads and focus their energy on high-potential prospects. For example, some companies using AI-powered lead scoring have seen a 25% increase in qualified leads and a 15% boost in revenue. It's about replacing guesswork with data-driven certainty. Once a potential customer is identified, AI continues to co-pilot the entire sales process. Autonomous AI agents can handle initial prospecting and outreach, personalizing messages at a scale impossible for humans. Tools can generate hyper-personalized outreach based on a prospect's specific pain points and online behavior. Some sales teams have even seen reply rates jump by 25% and productivity increase tenfold using these methods. And it doesn't stop there. Generative AI can now summarize past interactions, suggest responses during a call, and even create custom deal closing plans. This frees up sales reps from soul-crushing admin tasks, allowing them to focus on what humans do best: building relationships, understanding complex needs, and closing deals. A McKinsey forecast suggests generative AI could unlock trillions of dollars in value across sales and marketing. The result is a sales process that is faster, more targeted, and dramatically more effective. If sales has been revolutionized, marketing has been completely reinvented. The era of static one-to-many campaigns, it's over. Traditional marketing relied on broad segments based on demographics, but AI allows for dynamic micro-segmentation based on real-time behavioral data. It can identify patterns and niche customer segments that would take human teams months to uncover. This leads to the holy grail of modern marketing: hyper-personalization at scale. AI analyzes a customer's entire digital footprint, their browsing habits, past purchases, and content interactions to deliver a perfectly tailored message at the perfect time. This isn't just about sticking a first name in an email. It's about creating dynamic one-to-one customer journeys. Think about Netflix's AI recommendation engine. It's a perfect example of personalization that keeps users engaged by curating content for each individual. In e-commerce, this has led to incredible results, with some companies reporting a 35% increase in conversion rates after implementing AI-driven product recommendations. Content creation, once a major bottleneck, has also been supercharged by AI. A huge number of marketers now use AI to generate content faster. AI can draft ad copy, blog posts, and social media updates in seconds, all while sticking to a brand's specific voice. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also optimize this content in real time, running countless A/B tests to figure out which headlines, images, and calls to action are most effective. Beyond content, AI is transforming campaign management. AI algorithms can analyze performance data and automatically reallocate ad spend to the best performing channels, maximizing your return on investment. They can even predict emerging market trends, allowing businesses to adapt their strategies before their competitors even know what's happening. With the AI and marketing market projected to grow from $47.32 billion to over $107.5 billion by 2028. It's clear AI is no longer just a part of the marketing plan. It is the marketing plan. The final pillar of the modern GTM playbook is customer support, which AI is transforming from a reactive cost center into a proactive driver of retention and loyalty. Traditionally, customer service was about waiting for a problem and then trying to solve it. This approach is slow, inefficient, and often leaves customers frustrated. AI flips the script by enabling proactive support. By analyzing user behavior, engagement levels, and feedback, AI can predict which customers are at risk of churning and flag them for intervention before they decide to leave. This lets customer success teams step in with personalized offers or support, which can dramatically improve retention. In fact, companies can reduce churn by addressing issues before they even happen. AI also helps design personalized onboarding journeys, identifying potential roadblocks, and suggesting ways to improve user satisfaction from day one. For day-to-day interactions, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have become incredibly sophisticated. They can handle a massive number of routine inquiries 24/7, providing instant answers and freeing up human agents to focus on the complex, high-value problems that require empathy and nuanced judgment. While a human agent might handle 50 to 60 inquiries a day, an AI system can process that same volume in under an hour, leading to support cost reductions of around 30%. This human-AI partnership is the future of customer service. AI acts as a co-pilot for human agents, providing real-time suggestions, summarizing customer histories, and automating follow-ups. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces agent burnout. By providing seamless, personalized, and proactive support, AI turns customer service into a powerful engine for growth. The evidence is clear. The traditional go-to-market playbook, built on manual effort and broad assumptions, is dead. In its place, an AI-powered blueprint has emerged, one that's data-driven, hyper-personalized, and ruthlessly efficient. It's a massive shift that redefines how businesses operate, from the first sales touchpoint to ongoing customer support. This isn't about just adding more tools, it's about fundamentally changing how we think about growth. It's about choosing clarity over complexity and executing with a level of precision that was once unimaginable. Companies embracing this new reality aren't just gaining a competitive edge, they're setting a new standard for success. Roughly 70% of companies already report at least moderate AI adoption in their GTM workflows, and that number is growing fast. The question for every business leader, marketer, and salesperson is no longer if AI will change your industry, but how you will adapt to lead the charge. The tools are here. The strategies are proven. The time to act is now. If you're ready to learn how to apply these principles to your own business, make sure to subscribe to our channel. In our upcoming videos, we'll be doing deep dives into specific AI tools for sales, advanced strategies for AI-driven marketing, and a step-by-step guide to building a proactive customer success engine. Don't get left behind. Join the revolution. Keep on scaling.